First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to say some words in front of you all. My name is Tanisha Tanvi, student of Mokbul Ahmed Markaz Academy, Saudi Bazaar at 6th standard. Independence Day is not just a celebration of our past, but a reminder of our responsibilities we carry as citizens of a free nation. This year we celebrate under the theme, Nation First, Always First. Our journey since 1947 has been marked by significant achievements in various fields, from science and technology to arts and culture. Yet, we must also acknowledge the challenge we face and work collectively to overcome them. Let us strive to contribute positively to our nation's growth and ensure that the sacrifices of our ancestors were not in vain. Now I like to conclude my speech with a short शायरी. जो अब तक ना खेला वो खून नहीं पानी है, जो अब तक ना खेला वो खून नहीं पानी है, जो देश का काम ना आए वो बेकार जवानी है. Thank you for listening to me with a full of concentration. Have a great day ahead. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.